Welcome! We are back, and here's this person in front of me.
For the third time!
Because we are bored.
Yes.
Now, I don't know this game. She knows this game. I don't know it. So would you like to explain?
Oh, people are saying Felipe!
Shush! Okay, now, say what you're gonna say.
Alright, so today we are playing Nullxiety. As you can see on side of screen, we are playing Nullxiety.
English, please!
Do you want me to do the accent?
No.
I'm doing it anyways. So today we are playing Nullxiety.
Okay.
There is this demon dude walking into us. Please ignore him.
Okay.
Alright, today we're playing Nullxiety, like I said, for the third time. I play this game. It's actually really cool and really interesting.
I've never played it.
I know, but it's really cool and really interesting. If you think about it, it says that it is a way to choose the best players that they are ready to do something with. I don't know what. We'll just play the game.
And I guess move out of my recording. Thank you. Okay. Okay, that's what happens when you get in my
Bronze,
recording.
I also have to tell you something.
Call me my YouTube name, but you can call me that if you want.
Catty or Bronze.
My name's Cat, but okay.
Cat, whatever. Cat, just
get out of my recording!
Cat, remember, you have to pay attention to what they say and what the stages are.
I have
because there's a little test on that.
I have no pay attention in any of my minds.
Then I'll help you.
Hold up. The only time I ever remember, like, sometimes, usually when I'm under pressure, but wait, hold it, get back here. I have one more thing.
Come here.
One thing.
Next poll.
No, one thing.
Two poll.
One thing.
What?
How about we give them like a challenge?
Oh, what challenge?
If we hit how many likes? Pick a random number. 20.
100.
No, that's not happening.
50? 25?
25.
25.
If we hit 25, or if you guys put comments down below, we'll either do FNAF World. We'll try, but her game glitches, so we will try.
We will try.
It's not guaranteed, so I don't suggest that one. We will do either that, a horror game,
or SCP.
Or SCP, or parkour. My worst enemy.
Not obby.
Yes, no, not a big obby, but yes, an obby. We will do an obby. But if you pick a horror game, you'll see me when I see horror stuff. So that is your 4 choices. The first one's kind of hard, so is the third one.
The first one may not work, so we may not be able to do that one.
And the SCP one we might not be able to do either.
Yeah.
But then we just have the other two.
The
obby
and
the horror game.
Horror.
Oh my gosh.
Alright,
okay, well, just get to the video before these people drive me insane.
Okay, quickly, so you don't...
Run!
You in? I'm in.
Hello, my people. Hello. I am over here. People, hello. What? I can't jump.
Hi.
I can't jump.
I know you can't jump in this game.
Dang it. You see me in glass, right? I am a weird person. Wait, what? There are 100 players? Oh, dang. Let's see if you're already loading. Illustration, expression.
Let's see if you are ready.
Oh, dang
Wait, can I do a deep voice for this?
Sure.
Let me do this.
Make it very, very, very scary.
I do my best.
That's not scary. Do it in your British accent.
Hello.
Our name is Null.
Our name is Null. 14 people are here. Your name is Scrap66?
No, it ain't.
Your name is...
Let's see.
Jaze.
What's up?
Let's see.
Looks like you are playing
with your friend.
Yes, I am. No, that's Jaze and I am Cat. Your account was created
146 days ago. Your account was created 576 days ago.
Actually, I have an older account, but it's not here. You see, we know almost everything about you. What?
You are a Roblox veteran. You see, we know almost everything about you. We need to choose the strongest players for this experiment.
Shh,
let me do it. I will choose you if you don't. Die. Anyway, you have 3 lives.
Great, we're playing a video game.
Good luck.
Oh no, it's a smiley face.
You
Oh no,
know what I say about smiley
it's a smiley
faces.
face. Why do I look so bland? Oh, I can jump now. Please
Alright,
wait.
I'm over here in the corner. I'm in the corner.
I'm next to you.
Hello.
Hello.
We are the same looking.
Okay, it says please wait.
Go on, box. Now.
Okay, so, Newell just popped up. Oh, wait.
Alright, let's start from a
Very
easy thing.
A lot of people are dying
on this one for some reason. Let me do it!
You're slow.
Floor is going to be lava in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Somebody
no,
died.
he did. He died. Are we need to go to the event soon?
Give it a moment.
Looks
like only Lalavoy, I don't know, say that.
died.
Okay, let's try something else.
I'm scared.
Now you can get off the boxes.
I don't trust that. Let me
think.
Hello? You there? Are you
Give
dead?
him a moment. Give him a
I'm gonna jump on this box.
Give him a moment. Hey! Alright, I have an idea.
What's your bright idea?
Find the button to open the vent.
Right there! This door is weird. You have 1 minute. Oh no. Oh
Somebody
no.
knows what the button is. I know it for a fact.
Found it!
Good job.
No, that's not the button. I mean, this is the rooms.
Oh, I know
Split
this
up!
one. I know this one.
Where's the stupid button?
It's randomized. So the button's probably going to be in a different spot.
Oh, we're all dead.
Looks like...
Oh, thank God.
09 found it.
I'm stuck.
Great job.
I'm stuck.
Alright.
What's the next thing you want us to do?
Let's do something else.
Okay. Game Master.
Go through the ventilation or die.
I'm going. See ya, people. I'm stuck. You
Come on,
people are in my
guys.
way. I can't jump. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm in.
You did it. My goodness.
Is that death?
No. You can jump into it if you want to. Let me build a little parkour for you.
Oh well, they all died. Which
At
one's
least
me?
one of you must pass this parkour. Then everyone will go to the next level.
I can't do parkour though.
Then you can just stand here. If you can't go through the parkour,
We die.
it's better to stay in the beginning and wait for the others to go through.
Yeah, I can't do
for
parkour on the
your-
phone.
It for you.
Okay.
I'll try.
This is
I'll
up to
try.
you,
I'm
Jaze.
gonna try it.
Salvage, this is up to you because I'm about to die here.
I hope you'll like it. You're not gonna be able to see me probably not succeed. And I already didn't succeed. Let me try that again.
I'm going. Wait, I have 3 lives, right?
Yep. Plus, when you don't die on this.
I will make it. Oh no, it's this stuff. Oh, I love this stuff. I love this type of parkour. I made it. This parkour I know how to do. Okay, this isn't so bad. Oh no.
Oh.
I regret my words.
I'm just gonna stay here. 'cause
I
I'm
died.
Oh wait, that's you. Wait, let me follow.
Yeet!
Let me follow you.
Yeet!
Let me follow you to the end of the world.
Ah! Nope.
No, you died.
Honestly, I don't care. Why?
Honestly, I don't care.
Ah!
Please.
I'm sorry. Wait.
You're gonna like murder my ears.
I think I already did a long time ago.
I-
Looks like. Oh, thank you. Thank you, great goddess.
Somebody did it. I
Yeet.
died.
Ow! Can I be free
spinning.
yet? Can we be free? Can you take us away from this hell?
Let's move to another location.
I'm staying over
Please
here.
do not move. You may accidentally die.
I ain't moving.
All right. Let's go deeper.
Okay then. Are we going down like a pit or something?
You won't like this place, actually.
Is it dark?
Yes. Welcome to the...
The bottom of the world. I don't know. What?
Sauce.
Where am I? Which one's you? I'm jumping.
Water.
I'm jumping.
Give me a moment. Mine's still loading. Okay, I'm jumping too.
Okay, I see you. Oh, let's go this way.
I don't want to lose you. Is this you right here?
No, I'm behind you.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, now I believe we gotta stick together. If we don't, we all die.
Okay.
No one knows who might be here. A SCP. You must find and touch all orbs.
You must find and touch all orbs.
Can I go in here now?
I'm just gonna spin. Because that's what I do.
I'm
best
going
in
out the
life.
other door. I think
Okay,
I lost
have
you.
fun.
Nope. Not going down that dark hallway.
I'm going to...
Follow me. Oh, well, R.I.P. her.
Deep hallway. Ooh, couch.
You're quite strong.
You are quite strong.
I didn't do anything. Ah!
Oh my gosh. Power outage.
I hate the dark. Which one's you? I'm scared. Are you on that couch? Seriously?
Yes. But I'm the generator.
Generator. Oh, that's the generator. No, that's not the generator. That's a pipe.
I want to be an animal. Can I be an animal? No, I want to be an animal.
Why am I alone?
Huh?
I'm running for it. Psych. Where's the light? Oh, we're haunted.
Somebody got in there.
Who put us in this misery? I'm just with these random people. I lost you. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Do not give up.
This is giving me anxiety. Seriously, Mom?
We'll cut it out again. We'll have to cut something out again. Yes,
Okay.
sorry. Water. This place is actually scarier. Welcome to the
Bottom of heck. The school?
school.
No! No! It's a haunted school. We're putting Baldi Basics over here. Hello,
class.
You ain't the
Today,
teacher.
We will write a test.
Oh, great.
There are only 3 very simple questions.
What, 5 plus 5? 10.
If you listen to me, you will succeed.
Okay, I'm sitting in this chair at the front.
Good luck.
All alone. What is your account's age? 100 and...
Yours is 400 something. Mine's 576.
I'm guessing. What is the experiment 1? Oh, what was the first experiment?
Nullxiety.
It says, what is experiment #1 game name? What is the game name?
Nullxiety.
What? I don't know how to spell. You know this.
Nullxiety.
No, I'm not looking at that. Your name.
Oh, what is my name?
I forgot what mine is.
Oh, what? Scrap it. It's just, I think it's just Scrap 666. Oh.
Oh,
Time is up.
Well, I died, everyone. R.I.P.
Let's see. You're one of the few who wrote your correct name.
Yeah, and I also failed everything else, though. Your mark is an F.
My mark is a B.
You made me really upset. Oh, well.
Not bad.
Well, I'm dead. Oh, I only got
This
one
is
life
not
away
perfect,
now.
but
Ha ha
still
ha.
not bad.
How long is this video go? I died.
Listen to me more closely next time. This is not perfect, but still not bad. Good job. Frowny face.
This is your first death, so do not worry. I am worrying.
You have a break. That's what it said on my screen.
You have 2 lives left.
I have 3
But if you
still.
die an amount of 3 times, you'll only be able to revive for Robux. I ain't got none because I'm on my other account. My other account is like on the computer. Okay, I'm back. You have a break.
I am on thing. Come. I am on top of bookshelf, jumping in corner. Come.
Yeet!
Yes. We are together again.
Ow! I
She
just
hit
get
her
some.
foot. She hit her foot. Okay, never mind.
What? I just got here. What? Where are we going to now? Now are we going to heck?
You don't look scared.
Sir, I am scared.
Do you want to go deeper?
No! No!
Thought.
If you say too bad to me, I swear. I guess
I have no choice.
No. No, it's the dark. I hate the dark. Nothing changed.
Nothing changed.
No, it's a horror game.
Upside down.
What does that mean?
Let's go venturing. Whee!
What about
What about now?
This thing just looks kind of creepy.
Whee!
Did you leave me here?
Let's go venturing together. Oh, it's a maze. Oh gosh.
You guys just left me
I
here.
forgot about this part. I hate this part, honestly. Find the exit.
Do one of us have to find the exit, or do we all have to?
One. Not everybody. There's a time limit, I think. Well, one person has to find the exit.
Okay, I'm just gonna go in random areas.
I am on my own.
Where am I going? That's not the exit. Am I getting somewhere?
Maybe.
No.
I never really was succeedable in this one.
Looks like ew. I'm gonna pour that. Anyways, we're good.
Wait, is that something bad?
I'm guessing.
It probably may not be. It's just
I
a
don't
name.
know. Ah! You don't know.
Roblox wouldn't allow it.
No, Roblox allowed.
Okay, fine. You are doing great.
Okay. But not.
Not enough.
I almost died, sir. Well, I did die from
Let's
homework.
go.
I died from school.
Oh, no, it's this one. Oh, the code. This code one's really hard.
Storage? Oh, I'm good at coding.
I got stuck on this one.
I'm good at coding. That's the one thing I'm good at in life.
Now you have to unlock this giant metal door.
I'm really good at coding. Time.
You have to
What?
decrypt the code. It's real. I'm
Good
terrible
luck.
at this.
Oh, there's a pile of papers. Oh, I found a paper that says something. What it says? BR something. BA. I can't read it.
Box move. Go box. Get out way.
This says
Out way. Now.
Morse.
Morse code.
Morse code. Who knows Morse code? Because I don't know anything about Morse code.
There's so many people in here. They have to know this code thing.
I'm just about to just type in
Because I
random.
got stuck in this.
Can I just type in random stuff?
Yeah.
Hold on. I did see a sheet of paper that said something. Would that be helpful? Oh, wait, you can move the boxes.
Wait, move, dude! There's Morse code on the paper thing.
BASE64.
I know, but I can't see
Wait,
it.
I'm trying. 1 second.
There's Morse code on the top, and I can't see it.
Yeah, because it's stupid. Also, I'm the one in front of you.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Wait, what does this say? Oh, wait.
Yeah, someone entered it correctly the first time I played this game, but nobody could get this one.
MZGX squiggly N looking thing JY equals magazine How do you
just entered the first code correctly?
Okay,
I just wanted to say that.
Okay, I'm gonna try moving these boxes and see if I can find anything.
Box.
I say we type in some random stuff.
Beep, boop, bop, boop.
I can't read whatever that thing says, so. I say we just type in some random stuff. Ooh, okay.
Big box. This is hard. I can't do this one.
BASE 6. Wait, hold on. If B, what is in the alphabet? Move! Who's in front of me?
Base 64.
No, think about it. B is the second letter in the thing, right?
Yeah.
2, A is the first one. S, what's S? What number's S? A, B, C, D. No, that won't work because that's in the 20s. Unless you can do a double one. So, 2, 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, P, Q, R, S, T, R, V, W, S, Y, and Z. How many? There's like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, P, Q, R, S, 17. So, 2, 1, 1, 7.
Wait, why are you doing 1, 1?
E,
2?
Write this down. 2, 1, 1.
Why is it
7?
1, 1?
You'll see.
2, 1, 1, 7.
5, 6,
2,
4.
1, 1,
7,
Alright,
5, 6, 4.
Alright, wait, let me.
2, 1, 1, 7. That's a 4.
Sorry.
2,
2, 1,
1,
1,
1, 7. It's all the way down there. It's that one right there.
7.
5. The middle one. It's the middle one.
2,
No.
3, 4, 5.
6, 4.
6.
That one's 4 right there. That's just.
And we'll allow a 4. Just do the 2, 1, 1, 7. 7, 5. Try it.
Let me try something.
Wait, you need Roblox or something.
2, 1, 1, 5, 6.
Sorry, this isn't showing up on her screen because she's using my phone.
Ah!
I think you need Robux for some reason.
Type in the chat.
You can't type in the chat.
Dang it! Well, we're all dead.
Well,
this is where we all end, everyone.
I think that we can't get through this one.
Yeah, well, we've just been defeated.
We have to end this video here.
Unless you want me to put in the word Morse code, which is just 5.
Is 5?
It has 5 letters.
Okay. But is M like a
M's
double
capitalized.
Digit? I know, but is it like a double digit?
What does that mean?
Oh, never mind.
I don't know, maybe.
They undid it! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! We get content!
Woo!
Thank you! Oh,
Good job.
thank
Now
you!
you can go to the next location. I've never been this far.
I've never been this happy.
Alright, this is the next part.
Now where
is
are we
surprise.
going? This is like an hour
You
long
look
recording.
bored. Let's do something more fun.
If someone walks in, I am actually gonna scream my head off.
I know.
Okay.
Flood escape.
Oh, I've played this
I'm
game.
gonna die.
You spilled the water! I'm sorry! Mom! Oh, Flood escape. I'm good at this game. I'm on my phone.
No.
I'm not good
gonna
on my phone.
Die.
Want me to help you? I'm really good at
No.
this. Hopefully only one person had to do it.
You must
escape
the lava or die.
I've done this before.
Get ready.
I've played Flood escape
Oh,
for a
shoot.
living with Wild
Shoot.
before.
Here we go again.
Oh, we're by ourselves.
Okay.
Okay.
Where do I go? I don't know where.
Yeet!
I don't know where the heck to go.
Yeet!
Yeet. And I'm dead. Bye.
Yeet!
I can't survive that one. I'm terrible
You
at
just want
it.
to wait? Ah!
Yeah. See?
Oh, and I only have one.
You only have one life. Oh no. I have two.
My recording's gonna be dead
This
soon.
is your first death. Do not worry.
Well, I hope this is spectator
I'm
mode.
giving you one last free chance. You have 2 lives respawning. But if you die an amount
What
of
is this?
times, you'll only be able to rebuild it. Alright, respawning. Alright, let me see. Let me see.
I'm not looking at that. You'll see when you see my recording. Anyways. What is this? Where are we going to now? Oh, excuse you.
That was easy.
No, it wasn't!
No, it wasn't.
The lava was faster than I thought.
I just can't accept you right now.
What? How dare you? I know I died a couple times.
We need one more trial for you.
Oh, hopefully this isn't a flood escape. I'm dead, but you'll be fine.
Nullxiety. The room.
The room.
We need that smart person who unlocked the double door to
Is
do
he
this.
alive? I think he died.
Yeah, I think he died.
No!
Nullxiety.
Oh, that's scary.
Oh, this is that test. Hello.
I'm terrified.
Thank you for participating in the survey.
I'm concerned. Is that?
I am going to ask you some questions.
Please do not. I didn't listen
You
to class.
need to answer by pressing Y or yes or no. Good luck.
Good luck. Okay.
Ah, shoot.
Okay. I don't know history.
Are you scared?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Big yes.
Description, yes.
Your people are very funny. Do you hate me? No.
No, you're actually pretty good.
I
You're
don't.
You're fun.
You're
actually
fun. You're fun.
You're really fun.
No, I know hate. You're fun. Am I human?
No.
I'm gonna say yes.
I want to say no.
I'm gonna say yes.
I say no. Do you
Do
like?
you like this place? Yes!
Sure.
Big enthusiasm. Do you know the code?
Oh heck no.
Nope. Nope, nope, nope. No.
Big no.
Big no. Do you know who is watching? Nope.
No, don't give me that, please. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Are you answering to these questions randomly?
No.
No. Who is inside your house? I'm gonna say yes. YN. Y means you, probably. Okay, I am just having fun with my powers. Sorry for that. Great job on finishing this test. You're pulling on my hair.
I'm scared. I actually am having like a manicure panic attack.
Big slurp. You're fine.
I feel like there's gonna be a jump scare.
Looks like you did it.
I lived with one more life.
lived. You are one of the strongest players in Roblox.
Yeah, I've been doing this for years.
Yay!
But it doesn't say that for some reason.
Congratulations. Now you can participate in the next experiment.
What?
I will tell him to start. See you later.
Please tell me
This is gonna be like a long video.
This is gonna be the longest thing I've ever done in my life. If this is an hour-long video, I swear. I feel like there's gonna be a jump scare. Luckily, I have my volume off.
Bum ba da 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 da. Nullxiety.
That was actually fun. That was really fun.
I told you. Created by Nullxiety.
Yeah. I just didn't really like the part when I don't know. The
Let
escape.
experiment number 1 begin.
I just failed that quiz though. Dang it. Oh well.
You are kicked from this game.